Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about consonant sounds B and we. So the Spanish B and we are pronounced exactly alike. These letters have two separate sounds, hard and soft. At the beginning of a word and after M or N, the hard Spanish B or we closely resembles the B in the word boy, except that the lips are held tense. In other situations, the B or V is pronounced like an English B, in which the lower lip doesn't touch the teeth. This is a sound that does not exist in English. Um, okay, so basically, from what we got here is they sound alike. They pronounce exactly alike. Um, and you have the hard sound and the soft sound, and at the beginning of a word and after M or N, the hard Spanish B or V closely resembles the B in the word boy, except that the lips are held tense. In other situations, the B or V is pronounced like an English B, in which the lower lip doesn't touch the teeth. Alright, let's see how it's pronounced with some examples.
Listen and repeat. Remember, the Spanish BV is never pronounced like the English V.
Okay.
Vino. Vino.
Vino, which means wine.
Bien. Bien. Bien.
Bien, well.
Bueno.
Bueno, good.
Enviar.
Enviar, to send.
También. También.
También, also.
Envase.
Envase, container.
Listen and repeat. Again, be sure that you do not make the English V sound.
Vino.
Vino.
Bien.
Bien.
Bueno.
Bueno.
Enviar.
Enviar.
También.
También.
Envase.
Envase.
Listen and repeat. This time note that the BV sounds are softer. Do not let your lips touch one another.
Hablar.
Hablar. Hablar.
Hablar.
Hablar.
Uva.
Uva.
Avión.
Avión.
Objeto.
Okay, this sounds tricky.
Objeto. Objeto.
Objeto.
Objeto.
Objeto. I don't know, man.
Avenida.
Avenida.
Oveja.
Yeah, I mean, words with JA are obviously tricky in terms of the pronunciation and getting that sound, right? I mean,
Oveja.
oveja, 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 oveja.
Oveja.
Okay, and what is that?
Avenida. Objeto. Objeto.
So, objeto, 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 objeto,
Objeto.
objeto.
Avenida. Oveja.
Okay, so the J sounds more like an H in English. So, oveja, sheep.
Listen and repeat again. Remember, the Spanish BV is never pronounced like the English V.
Hablar.
Hablar.
Uva.
Uva.
Avión.
Avión.
Objeto.
Objeto.
Avenida.
Avenida.
oveja,
oveja.
Each of these words contains both of the BV sounds. Listen carefully and mimic the native speakers.
Okay.
vivir,
Vivir,
beber,
beber,
babucha,
babucha,
bobo,
bobo,
vivo,
vivo,
víbora,
víbora.
Listen and repeat again. Focus on the differences in the two different BV sounds.
vivir,
Vivir,
beber,
beber,
babucha,
babucha,
bobo,
bobo,
vivo,
vivo,
víbora,
víbora.
Listen and repeat again. Focus on the differences in the two different BV sounds.
vivir,
Vivir,
beber,
beber,
babucha,
babucha,
bobo,
bobo,
vivo,
vivo,
víbora.
víbora. Alright, so the link to this website is in the description. And in the next video, I'll be looking at diphthongs. So until then, see you next time.